Hello guys, hello my lovely people. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends on your time and depends on the time you come across this our lovely video. I also know they do jolly. May God bless your household in Jesus name. May God bless your activities in Jesus name. May God answer all your secret prayers in Jesus name. You for coming to watch me shall never be in vain in Jesus name. That's it. I make you to click to my no click to my house and you watch Ruben Doris, you subscribe to Ruben Doris, shall never be in vain. If you have never subscribed to Ruben Doris, please, my dear lovely brothers and sisters, go to your wall now, go on top, carry your phone like this, hit that notification bell by your right hand side so that whenever I'm on board, you will be the first person to be notified. And as you are doing that, God will bless that your hand you use it doing it, the eyes you use it doing it, the data you use to watch me, God will provide all of them for you in Jesus name. My lovely people, wetin we wan talk today, we are going to talk to some kind of people, that some things that will make their marriage to work out, things that will make marriage to work out to in future reference. Na that one we wan talk today, my lovely people. Wetin we wan talk, if you na just see wetin dey happen today, marriage, the other one don kpeme e wife, the other one don kpeme e husband, the other one don kpeme e children, the other one don do this one, the other fair no let person carry e phone again. Mama gi gwalo video. We no want am like that again. We no want am like that again. Wetin we wan talk now? We want give una some kind of guideline. Wetin go make una marriage dey work out? Wetin go make una marriage dey work out? Say for example, you be real married woman or you don dey prepare to marry, you look the kind family background, where you for dey come. As in, if you want to settle down, look at where you are coming from and look at still where you are going to. This is how some kind of things that will make your marriage to work out. So kind of something how to make your marriage to work out. These are one of the message which I'm about to give. Look at where you are coming from. These are one of the expose where you are coming from, if it's balanced, and where you are still going to. Look at if it's balanced. The people you are going to meet. Look where is balance, whether the something not be balanced or you both not come cut my tongue. Yeah, Americana. So now that one be the thing. So what we go talk? We go try to give some kind of guidelines. We go make our youth, we will dey motivate them. We will be say where they watch us, they get the courage to marry, and some kind of things, some kind of guidelines that will help them. So let me give una this guideline. If you really want to settle down, please learn to keep your mouth shut. If you like the guy, learn to keep your mouth shut. And if you be man, you dey watch me, you want settle down with that your beautiful lady, learn to keep your mouth shut. Not be say you go tell and say this is the particular thing I like from you. No, if you too talk and that lady will use that thing they use till they make nyagan with you. And some kind of things wey see dey happen, especially this our obodo oyibo. Una know say majority of this our program wetin dey happen, e dey na people wey dey this obodo oyibo na dey mostly dey get this message. I know say some for Africa still get am, but our program here, things that are happening around. Èmi no gele sunu da evi biemu. Èmi no say ni mona dio wodo ja. Èmi no say ne marriage na iwahin get van wa. Ezo don ame okin na degbe. My dear lovely people, if you dey watch me, you never subscribe, go subscribe. You are watching Ruben Doris TV program. Na here be the Ezo don ame husband and wife matter. Na here you get all of them. You get the cassette, the video where they carry come meet me for here. They say one man, as the man, I'll show the video small. Whether YouTube go allow me show, I don't know. They say the man he catch his wife. Say his wife the jogodo. Una know what it be jogo na. He jiggy. This thing, the pretty machine where God give you. Not be saying a pretty machine. What God give you, may you take servant. May you take bear lovely children. You go carry and go this thing You go Ghana, go give another person, give Ghana, go here, Ghana, be jogodo. So as you use and take do jogodo with another man, you do and jugi with another man. Where the man catch this woman, he carry this thing, he do a quack. Where he do a quack finish, he not finish for there. The man carry acid, he pour for it. But the man look whether I get the video. If I can get it, I will show you guys the video. Because marriage something is honorable by the Lord. I don't know why the devil is trying to turn it upside down. If you tell our youth today to get married, they will say no, they fear, oh, because they're waiting that they see. We will their marriage, where their husband has, or man where they don't see married. Maybe they show good example. Maybe they encourage our future youth. Make more children for day, make more love for day for the future. But our people, they are turning the marriage upside down. Wait, may I show the video? Okay, I'll show am small because of YouTube. I know say do so on YouTube. You might be not the like say wetin dey just show say the person body get as e be. May una bear with me. Na see am so. The man just pour acid for a body. He pour acid for a wife body, then he come still pour for a body. I think say na low Igbo people. Na see am so. Una dey see am. Una see why I hate that country, that our country. No man, not vessel. You something go happen to a person. Una see am so. You say you put fire for wife body.
You send your wife to sleep waka pada. You go burn yourself, burn your wife.
You see am so. Una see am. Say where they sleep around. They tell her rest in peace. Instead, where they'll call ambulance for her or help her out. Ouchie, now it's something for our country. Exactly.
See what you do yourself. Get measure. No one less the picture.
Una see am so. So my lovely people, so as you come across this our lovely video, please drop your comments, your constructive comments, whether with this thing where our African people they do to themselves, so because of marriage, whether it good. There are some guidelines that will help you in your marriage. It's not by beating your woman. It's not by insulting your husband. It's not by using kpekus to suffer him. It's not by suffering your woman with ijigi. No. There are ways to handle issues. Now make me they always talk say, if you want to remarry, you bring God. Not go put your mama for the center. Not put your papa for the center. Not put your children for the center. You put God for the center. When you put God for the center, now God now go they direct you. But our people know they know that one. What if they sabi? You don't marry finance, so you they do maybe you associate with some kind of evil people. They say, hey, you're killer. Twice in the all those bewak group. Bewak killer, what they call them. Bewak group. It's not good. There are some. Marriage is not something. Is something that you go there. When you go there, is forever and ever. When you are going there, make sure you make a good choice. Don't go and make mistake. Don't go and bump for Mr. A or Mr. B first before you start looking for the right partner. No. Before you go there, make sure you check yourself that you are okay and you are in the right track. The other one, they cause all this thing. There are some bitter people which don't even want to see you that you are happy. Your body go, they tell you. When you are in the midst of those kind of people, make sure you pull yourself out. When you are in the midst of toxic people who want to see you as a married woman or as a married man, pull yourself out. Make your wife to be your best friend. It's not when you pour acid on her or pour acid on him. Make sure in this life, it is good you make history reference, not future. It is good you make a good history reference and a good future reference. Good history reference and a good future reference. Marriage is honorable by the Lord. It's not something that you do. This person are my friend. Without him, I not fit do. Without him, I not fit eat. Without it, I not fit do this. I not fit do that. No, it's not called for. That is the cause of all this problem in our society today. When you see the light of enviness, especially from your father at times, some father they don't want me their daughter marry. If you see say it don't they dim like that, not be somebody go tell you. Your mind, your mind go follow you, decide and say, this person does not want my happiness. You pull him out. If your mother does not want your happiness, especially those ones that use their children for sacrifice, they turn them to make money making machine. Pull her out. It's not compulsory that she's your enemy. No. Don't misinterpret my message. Ami ukpa uki, ami ukba va uki no arati uki avec ba ukpa ve montu irige va egie, because ijue no. No matter what. Because ije soro or ere me soro, iya mario ho, iya ve ono vi arie. Ije soro iya ero wodo, iya ve ono vi arie aro wodo. And then so you get that sentiment, that message where a marriage, a man even responsible, even the sweetness of marriage, or the only even of a man who be any, near any, who be ever. Ia the ario javo here, ia the own with the arioja. Eru anave miso ya ario here no ma, ia only ado zaga wewa. It's not called for. Mind where you take marital advice. Mind the kind of people you mix up with. May the associate you are missing up with. It's not compulsory that even get some people say they go just hate you because you enjoy your marriage. It's not compulsory that everybody who will be your friend. No. If you want to excel in life, smile with everybody. It's open hand. Embrace everybody as friends, but don't invite them to your marital home. Embrace everybody as friend. Don't invite them to your marital home. Yes. What you are planning, this is half 6 months, half 6 months of the year that is remaining to before we ride to 2022. If you apply all this formula I've been saying, savings, draw an agenda with your husband, do things together, plan together, save together, make your husband your best friend, and your husband should make you the wife his best friend. Things will be flowing well. For husband and wife, a married man, my dear people, it's high time we say, put an end to all these things. A man pouring acid to the lovely wife. Where is the love? Because it's the kind of associate he's moving with. Giame wana ame good, ona a Christian home ban. Ona ga maybe iame a ma living the meaning of marriage. Man of God. The children are growing up in God's house. In a rock by let's be sincere. Oh, all the dark no salobwa. Oh, odo waji okwo on the meaning of marriage. I'll be saying it. Your body is the temple of God. You, the woman, you wait to go and use yourself, your pekus, your inner room apartment to be doing ijigijigi. The man was so jealous that the man now pour acid on the woman. After pouring acid on the woman decided to kill himself and pour acid on himself. Una see what they talk. Now, not be the truth. But if you not say your body is the temple of God, you know the value of what you get. Every moment of your life, you are praying, you are praying, you are praying, you are praying. Eko we o go doni. Ebi ko we a o we. Va wa me ya succeed. De ni me kia. Agenda na mu yo to va ya succeed. Abi na back up with prayers. When I back up with prayer, other things, movement, practical. My dear lovely people in the house, make we make the world a better place. You that come across this our lovely video, please help me to share it. Share this message to our brethren. Share this message to our brothers and sisters. Ezo do an obungbe ne. We not sun we Africa. E do sun we obodo ibovedian. Maya beg me no sun. Abwezo. Eso gi leva na oguyan. Ba mo ri oge. Et so il va no family il vient ba mo sa chicken roe ba me sa chicken roe e sa chicken yo han kere de ogbo wo kan sa chicken 21 years old ogbo man 50 years e Nigeria ni je veji o ikbiara imu ekonomo mu ekonoku in lese ae because ama husband and wife ya ro kugbe. Iyan gbina me video ni a show ma no the single mothers iyan ye gegege okpi apake kan ra river iyan ga gbina bana iyan ga gbina ime no sun ni ya abiyan ga gbina me street all those single mom a lot of they were up to 10 men 10 women if I'm not mistaken. Only one man or stand as a responsible husband to the other lady which they were fighting together. Where is the world turning to? When you come across this my lovely video, please help me to share this message to our beautiful people. These are one of the skills, things that will make your marriage work. Put God in the center. If you never know God before, not go marry. If you don't marry, finish. Make sure you know God so that God will control you. God will direct you. Wemana on salobwa, ou ki yon vion bo. Wemana on salobwa, ou ki yon ve prophetess. Wemana on salobwa, ekbebi na miebon na kina. Wa agbala moge. Esun ware, cause ige sugi izi na mie. Esun eti ware baba ware mwina. Veno jere na mami go ya deva, mami go ya riemi. Ige ye 20 euro no, ye 30 euro no ya will choppy. Whereas na hana we 10 cents in wallet we. Ulele. But when I on salobwa, what is 30 euro? What is 100,000 euro? Because now we're working hard in money. All say we use. But give him a dollar minimum. My dear people in the house, I beg. Una way they watch my videos, no, they try to learn 1 or 2 things from it. Whether I use a dialect, because what make me they use my dialect these days. Some of our people, they say, as I tell they analyze them, they say, they use my language, maybe they understand what I try to talk. So I try to use my dialect at times, still use English, talk I beg, no, no verse. My fans that are not understanding my language. It is, we are talking of marital benefit, those things that will help you to excel in your marriage. Please, when you come across this video, let me to share it. Subscribe to Ruben Doris Marriage Solution TV program. Ikatamu wadere go uga okwo no gba wawe. Una age program me u stop emi danu ban. Ya ye rosary pray no u stop e. Uga okwo no we mi odon ame bi mina. Ina ye rosary so aneru nu ene, you will stop it. we a ko ne mi va e mi dana iga sun de ina so aye rosary no ba me reva ni ina so aneru nu ene e na ni wa ban. So my dear lovely people in the house, now don't be the message where I say me I can't live for now. What do you think about this video? How to make your marriage work out? Please think of it. Stay away from toxic friends. Stay away from toxic women. Stay away from toxic men. Stay away from toxic pastors. Stay away from toxic native doctors. If you are able to avoid all those things, why you know it's say only you. That's the way you they run some women. They go run up and down. A married woman, Eliana the way jiggy, yana way kissing, yana monana yada, a Facebook, Yeva when I want agiment, Yawana agiment, yana within a vagina, away. Erisikoe, awa erisiko ene, this and that. On a work by on our Facebook, you look benedo or say, when on Salobois. Where is the nero when you don't do anything? La wo. You have to be neat. Oh, neat. Oh, where musi. In a room apartment you any where you musi. A neatness of a deba. Gonna tell financial aspects. Wala wo. The moment on emo one day, emi pian one day. Emi ko one day oge no one support alamoge na encourage why get support these are one of the things I have to say. So after I've seen it saying it, my lovely people, what do you think about this video? Things that will help you to excel in your marriage, the message are out there. So if you are never subscribed to Ruben Doris TV, go and subscribe now. Go and subscribe. It will not cost you anything. Now bless now the carry come your house. Okay. If you are difficulty in your marriage, my phone number is always there. 38913 22138. 38913 22138. From Italy. 3938913 22138. See you in my next video. God bless you. One love. Bye.